Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken rod using an easy method. This legendary fishing rod is a game changer, offering a substantial boost to your fishing power and making deep-sea catches much more manageable. We'll focus on a straightforward approach, ensuring you can acquire this valuable item without unnecessary complications. Get ready to enhance your fishing experience and reel in some impressive catches with this powerful tool. Before embarking on your quest, ensure you meet a few key requirements. First, you'll need to have achieved at least fishing level 25 to effectively handle the challenges ahead. Next, secure a reliable fishing boat capable of navigating open waters. Don't forget to stock up on plenty of high-quality bait and lures. These are crucial for attracting the right fish. Finally, a strong fishing net will be invaluable for securing your prize. Now, let's pinpoint the Kraken's domain. You'll need to sail out to the deep ocean biome, far from the coast. Keep a keen eye out for distinctive swirling patches of dark water. These are telltale signs of the Kraken's activity below. These areas are typically found at depths greater than 100 blocks. Consult your in-game map to help navigate and mark these potential hotspots for easier return trips. Once you've located a promising spot, cast your line directly into the swirling dark water. Patience is key here, as the Kraken can be quite elusive and may not bite immediately. When you feel a powerful tug, prepare for a challenging fight and reel in with steady, controlled movements. Successfully landing the Kraken will yield its legendary rod as your well-deserved reward, completing your quest for this incredible item.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.